Good morning, priceless people. Yeah, it's just that early. This is the start of my weekly cleaning video. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video and that it motivates you to get up and clean your spaces. So, I'm going to get dressed. Let's go. So I went to bed last night and left this mess in my kitchen. But no worries, it's time to tidy everything up. Join me today in this quick speed cleaning as I tidy up my bathrooms and my kitchen. Come on, let's clean together. And thanks for stopping by the channel today. This is the Priceless Pearl Life, and I am Katrina Johnson. If you're new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by. But don't be a stranger. Take this opportunity to give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. All of my loyal subscribers, you know what I say. Welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, and a pastor. And on my channel, it's a lifestyle channel. And I love sharing my love for all things home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, singing, basketball, and so much more. So come on and become a part of my YouTube family. So a few of my subscribers said to me they really love seeing me clean the toilet. I really love seeing myself clean the toilet as well. But since you're here, go ahead and leave me a comment. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I would love to chat with you in the comment section below. If you have not already, please make sure you like, you subscribe, and you hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. That's right, you never miss an upload. One down, one to go. And just like that, my speed cleaning for today is completed. 1 kitchen and 2 bathrooms. If you have not already seen my summer kitchen refresh, make sure you check out that video before leaving YouTube on today, where I add a pop of yellow for the summer. Also, check out my living room and my dining room makeovers as well. And last but not least, my Let Freedom Ring collaboration. Here at the Priceless Pearl Life, videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And some are sprinkled in between for your watching enjoyment. Make sure you spread the news of my video with your family, your friends, and your co-workers alike. I would love for them to become a part of my growing YouTube family and community. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I'll see you in my next video.